next move, we're going to look at the single and double show person hold. So if I just pop them there for a second and remind you, for those of you that haven't done the Burlesque for Beginners course yet, the single show person is where we're up, yeah, in a nice position, and we're just presenting ourselves with one arm up in the air and the other arm sort of creating that power pose, yeah? A double is where we're up with both, yeah, and both arms are up in the air. So it's very, very similar to that with the fans. So, let's bring the fans back in and let's do it with the fans. With the single show person, because obviously this hand can't just sort of wedge on my waist, what I do is I use that to do like a bit of a leg stroke hold. So I bring that leg slightly out to the side but slightly forward. So it's not out and behind, it's slightly out and slightly forward. And then I rest that hand over the leg. So as you can see, I'm not touching my leg, so it looks all flat. I'm lifting it so that the fans curve down towards the floor. Yeah? So my leg is slightly out to the side and forward, and that fan is curved down. And then this fan up to the side, yeah? Now with your single show person, you can be out here, you can be up more, it's entirely up to you, but you are having one arm sort of up and out, and one arm low and covering, yeah? And there you have it. That there is your single show person. And obviously remember, you can do it on both sides. It's up to you. But that there is your single show person hold. Double show person, okay? Now again, with things like this, we've got to be careful with the ceiling. We've got to be careful we're not going to knock something or knock the lights on our heads. Okay, but with the double show person, as you're aware, both arms are up in the air. So where you put the arms and how high you put the arms is completely up to you. So you could go for a full upright, you could come a little bit more to the side, yeah, it's entirely up to you. You could come into it from a sweep, or you could simply just sort of bring it out and up, yeah. So your double show person hold is both arms out to the side, nice and long, and you're sort of either looking to go for sort of just above shoulder height, yeah, or right up to the ceiling. There you go. Your single show person and your double show person, but with the fans. So I'll leave you to have a play with that. Watch those ceilings, watch those lights. Come join me for the next one.